Hi everyone, and welcome to day 17 of the challenge. We just have everyone start off seated at the top of your mat and close your eyes. Sitting up nice and tall. Taking inhale and exhale. And on the exhale, open the mouth and say ha, H-A, like you're fogging a mirror. And again, inhale. On the exhale through the mouth. Last one, inhale. And then inhale through the nose. Begin exhaling through the mouth, closing the mouth, creating the same sound through the nose. Inhale. Begin through the mouth, close the mouth. Last one. And then just take a few more breaths. In and out through the nose, still creating that ujjayi sound on the exhales. Last one. On the next inhale, take the arms up overhead, and on the exhale, twist to the right. Left hand on the right knee, right hand behind the back. Look as far to the right as you can. Inhale back to center. Other side, exhale. Inhale and exhale, alternating sides. And then next time you come to the right side, stay. On the inhale, lift through the heart center. On the exhale, draw the belly in, twist a little bit further. Last breath. Inhale back to center, other side. Same thing, inhale, lift and lengthen, and on the exhale, draw the belly in, twist a little bit further. Last one, stay for that exhale. And then inhale to center. We're going to side bend, take that right arm down to the right side, walk the hands away, let the elbow melt to the ground if it's available. If not, keep the elbow extended, and then reach through these left fingertips like you're trying to lengthen the fingertips away from the sit bone. And as you inhale, send the breath to the left side. And as you exhale, see if you can melt just a little bit further. Last breath, finish the exhale. And then inhale back to center and other side, exhale. Left arm comes to the ground, elbow melts if that's available, and reach through the right fingertips. Again, lengthening as though you're trying to reach the fingertips away from the sit bone. Sending the breath to the right side this time. Last one. Stay for the exhale. Inhale back to center, and then we're going to come to table pose. Exhale. Curl the toes under on the inhale and come to down dog. Exhale. On the inhale, you're going to release the knees toward the floor, hovering table pose. And on the exhale, you're going to lift nice and slow with control back to down dog. Inhale forward. Hover. Exhale, lift. Try and keep the heart center melted the entire time. 3, 2, good. One more. We're going to come to our hovering table, and we're going to stay and breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. On the exhale, down dog. Take the right foot forward, warrior 1, inhale. On the exhale, you're going to take the fingers behind the back and lace them. Inhale, you're going to open, heart center to the sky. Humble warrior, exhale. Let the right shoulder to the right knee, head goes. Inhale, open all the way back up, and exhale forward. One more time. When we come forward this time, we're going to stay. Don't close the eyes, but let the head go. Take the hands as far away from the low back as you can. Come a little bit deeper into that front knee. 2 more breaths. Good. Last breath. Stay for the exhale. On the inhale, all the way up, release the arms either side of the ears. Plant the hands, exhale, three-legged dog. Inhale forward to three-legged plank and lower down. You can stay three-legged or four-legged. Cobra or up dog, inhale. And down dog, exhale. Good. Left foot forward, warrior one. Inhale, the arms up alongside the ears. On the exhale, lace the fingers behind the back. Inhale, heart center opens. Exhale, humble warrior. Inhale, open to the sky. And exhale. This time we're bringing the left shoulder to the left knee. Hands away from the low back. Last one. When we come forward this time, we'll stay. Again, stay with the breath. Take the hands as far away from the low back as you can. A little bit deeper into that front knee. 2 more breaths. Last one. Stay for that exhale. Inhale. Release the arms. Warrior one. Plant the hands. Three-legged dog. Exhale. Three-legged plank. Inhale. Lower down. Cobra or up dog. Inhale. Down dog. Exhale. Stay for 5 breaths. Nice and strong through the legs. Nice and strong through the arms. Melting the belly toward the thighs. Soft in the face. Last breath. And then release the knees to the floor. Press back into child's pose. You can pause here if you'd like to add your inversion practice. If not, come to seated. Extend the legs forward. We're going to come into wide angle forward fold legs. So take the feet just about 90 degrees wide. You don't have to try and do the splits. Engage the toes toward you. Press the back of the knees toward the ground. Inhale, lift and lengthen. And on the exhale, come forward. Either keep the hands in front of you or bind onto the toes. Try and keep the spine nice and long. So we're not rounding the forehead to the spine. We're staying nice and long and strong. And on the inhale, you're going to lengthen, crown of the head away from the tailbone. And on the exhale, see if you can release any amount of tension you can through the back of the thighs, allowing the belly to melt toward the floor. Gentle tuck of the chin to the chest. Last breath, staying here for the entire exhale. Then you're going to try and bind onto the toes, whether you need to lift the knees first and then bind on. You can stay with straight knees or you can straighten the legs. Draw the shoulders back, plug them in, lift the heart center, creating a little bit of tension. Again, stay with the breath. Last one on the exhale, soften the knees. Bring the legs together, transition into boat pose. If you need to adjust yourself on your mat, come into the middle of the mat. Take an inhale breath. We're going to lower as far as we can to the ground. And on the exhale, we're going to lift back up. 2 more. Inhale, lower. And exhale, lift. Last one. Come down and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2. Inhale and release all the way down to the ground. Exhale. Draw the knees into the chest. We're going to come into our twist. Let the legs fall to the right, arms to the side. Turn the head away from the knees. Stay with the breath. On each exhale, let everything become nice and heavy. Let the legs fall off of one another if they want to. Last breath. And then draw the knees back to center and come over to the other side. Again, allowing the chin to fall away from the knees. Coming back to the breath, and with each exhale, feel everything becoming heavy. Last breath, stay for the exhale. Inhaling back to center, giving the knees one last hug, and then extending the legs for Shavasana. Allow the toes to roll out to the sides. Turn the palms facing up so the shoulders plug into their sockets. Gentle tuck of the chin, the chest, and soft in the face. And then just begin lengthening and deepening the breath. Bringing movement to the hands and the toes. Drawing the knees into the chest. Gently rocking side to side, coming over onto the right side. And then pushing yourself up into a comfortable seated position. We're going to take the right fingers over the left. Tips of the thumbs together and sit tall. Draw the shoulders back. Come to a nice gentle Ujjayi breath. We're going to repeat silently to ourselves. I am safe. Inhale. Exhale. And begin. Next one. Releasing hands to heart center. Inhale. And exhale. Namaste.